Okay, hey guys, this is a short video to explain the installation of the IOCoin wallet for the Windows 10 platform, a little bit about syncing, as well as a little bit about the Block Explorer. So let's get started here. So first of all, we're on the IOCoin website. We'll just click on Downloads. It'll scroll down further on the website and bring us to the preview of the wallet. We'll scroll down a little bit more. Here we see the Windows 10 wallet and the GitHub link. So I'm just going to open up the GitHub link just to explain a little bit about it. So right here, here's the exe file for Sirius. That's the version of the wallet. Also, the bootstrap file is right here. So once we get it installed and opened, then we can look at the bootstrap file if we want to do that. So to save time, I've already downloaded it here. And so we will just install it here in real time. Okay, the next step will ask us for a folder to house all the wallet files. So we'll get to that part quickly here. So opening the wallet for the first time, you'll have to import a new wallet. And so in here, it has created this folder right there for kind of the cache files. So what we'll do, just to keep it easy and stock here, we will create this folder, select it, and then once the wallet is done pulsing here, you'll notice that the logo is pulsing, so it's working. And so here it opens to the wallet. And so the easiest and quickest way to get information is to hover over here. You'll see it's picking up connections. It will continue to pick up connections. It will show you your block count. So we're starting at the very beginning, so it's only 1,000 or so blocks here. The version number, which is Sirius. And then on the right side there, that's the number of blocks to the stealth application or the shades that were implemented. So that's it, installing the wallet. What we'll do is we'll just close it now. It gives you an option to leave the daemon running. For this purpose, we'll just say no. We'll close it completely. Now, just a brief explanation of the file structure. So if we do %, app data %, we'll get into our roaming folder. So here's the path. Here's the folder that we created. Here's our wallet.dat file. Here's our iocoin.conf file. And here's our blockchain file. So this will continue to grow. So I would recommend you have at least 2 gigabytes of space just to allow for the files and future files, because you will continue to sync the blockchain as it goes. So that is the wallet folder. For the daemon, it is housed in the Dions folder right here. And so we can see this is the daemon file, iocoin.d, and so that's the path. So that's all to installing it. You can go over here, just search for IO. Here's how to open it again. For the second time you open it, you'll see load recent, and then you'll see the folder right here. So we'll open it back up. And then it will continue to sync. So you can see it right here. It's got connections. And please, please, please sync the whole blockchain before you start using the wallet to receive information or receive payments or to send payments. Just sync the whole thing to alleviate any problems. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.